Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name's Justine Haveland. I'm a business coach and the founder of the Wella Society, where we help people start and grow an online business and learn to hack their mind to become an expert faster. In today's video, I want to talk to you about passion because passion is really important in your work and in your business for two reasons. And I think because it's become really mainstream to say things like do what you love and you'll never work a day in your life, and do something you're passionate about. People are sort of brushing it aside as, something that is maybe a nice to have, it's not necessary, and it's just become really popular and fluffy. So I want to share with you two reasons why it's really important to be doing something that you're passionate about, and it has to do with the neurochemistry in your brain. When you're doing something that you're passionate about, you will naturally focus on it way more than when you're doing something that you're not passionate about. And when you're working from home and you have your own business, it is so important to stay focused, especially when you've got nobody around to keep you on task. The second reason that it's so important to do something that you're passionate about is that when you're working on something that you're passionate about, you will feel good. Your brain will release a little bit of dopamine and you'll feel great. It's a reward chemical and it's something that you're going to keep chasing after. So you will naturally want to not only focus, but focus longer and keep going back to the same tasks again and again. And when you have this kind of desire to keep working on the same things during the good times and the low times of your business, this is really going to help you sustain throughout your business, sustain throughout your career, and obviously help you financially in the long run. So if you're sitting there and you know exactly what you're passionate about, that's amazing. Go work on it and you will be way more focused and feel way better than if you're working on something that you are not passionate about. But if you're not sure what your passion is, then you can do this quick exercise. Grab a piece of paper and write down 30 things that you're curious about. Curious about just simply means that you would happily watch a TED Talk about it, read a book about it, or ask somebody in that field more questions about what they do. So make a list of 30 things that you're curious about, and then start to group them together into interesting ideas or potential solutions or themes. And then when you've got them all grouped together, you're going to do a little bit of research online and just find out, are people selling this? Is this a potential business? And you're going to decide whether or not you can make money from this or not. If you can make money from it, it is absolutely a potential business idea. If you cannot make money from it, then it is a hobby, which is totally fine too. So if you're sitting there wondering, I don't know what the heck I'm passionate about, do this exercise and I promise you that you will start to see what you could potentially pursue in a new career or in a new business. So if you've been wondering why the heck passion is even important when it comes to your work or business, I hope you found this video helpful. In my next video, I'm going to talk to you about what you do when you actually find that thing that you're passionate about and you're working on it, and one of the top tips I have to be really, really productive, and it has nothing to do with time management, and it is not one of those kinds of tips. It's probably not what you think. So join me in my next video if you want to learn a little bit more about how to be more productive in the work that you're doing. If you're new here, I would love for you to stay and subscribe. If you're returning, thank you so much for spending your time with me, and I will see all of you guys in the next video. But before you go, I just want to share with you that the Wella Society is open and accepting new members. We help aspiring entrepreneurs launch and grow an online business, and so if that's you, if you want to launch a business and you want to do it with people who understand you and have me in there with you, coaching you every single day, helping you actually build the business of your dreams, then please go ahead, click the link below, and I hope to see you guys inside.